welcome my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Smell and miss you. It is Tuesday morning, the weekend after the Queen's burial. That's all I have to say about that. Today is gonna be a productive day, so I thought I would take you along with me. I'm just getting ready to go to my nail appointment first. Then I'm gonna head to a cafe for the first time since I've been full-time content creation to work, and then I have an event with Liberty in the evening. So it should be a really good day. I'm excited. The sun is shining. It's a bit cold, but since I've just returned from holiday, I'm actually not even that mad. I kind of enjoy the gloomy vibes of the autumn season. And yeah, I actually had a massive flare up on my face when I came back from holiday. I know exactly what caused my flare up, but I think I'm just gonna do like an updated skincare routine for the autumn winter and show you guys kind of the things I've been doing. But my skin is a bit better now. You're probably thinking like, what happened? But if you look carefully, there's quite a lot of texture on my skin still. I'll show you a video here of what it looked like before, but this is a massive improvement. We're just gonna keep on working on it. I'm gonna quickly finish getting ready and then let's go. She's still cute though. Is she there? Just finished working at this cafe. Actually, let me show you guys what this is because it was really cute. Had a really productive work day, editing, emails, all that good stuff. Now I'm gonna head to Liberty. They've got a advent calendar event and they want to yeah, so we're gonna collect that, gonna cop that, and then continue with the day.
What the fuck? Is that on purpose?
Wow, no, that looks so good.
Kelechi, that Kelechi asked me to host.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you. Thank you for everything that you do. Thank you to you as well.
Thank you.
I just want to say, will you call him KC3?
Yes, KC3.
Not paying inheritance tax.
I don't know why I've been so tired lately. Like, even when I was in Greece, actually, I've just been so tired. And I'm taking my supplements, I'm taking my iron, I'm exercising, getting decent amount of sleep. But I'm still like a moody bitch in the morning because I'm so tired. I don't know why. So I thought I'd show you guys my perfected matcha recipe. Not much has changed, just that I'm using kind of slightly different combos of ingredients. Let me show you what I do. I got this really cute honey. I don't know what this is called, but you've seen this before. I'm pretty sure Winnie the Pooh had this back in the day. Thyme honey. This is from Greece. Just added some Brita water in here, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of hot water from the kettle as well, just a touch. This is what has transformed my drinks to me. This is the new Olive Vanilla oat milk. This stuff is so bomb. So I'm just gonna foam this up as well. No one can ever tell me that this isn't the best matcha, I'm sorry. With that oat milk as well, period. So I have a confession to make. I've been a really good plant mum since my first year of university, where I adopted some succulents, some cacti, but we've now moved on to plants that actually need care and need water more than once a month. And it was going well until a certain point. I think something just possessed all of my plants and now they're all dying on me. So I think the solution that I've come up with is just to repot them all, like change all of the soil, because they've been in this soil for a really long time. And my theory is, you know, if they were in the wild, they would be in soil that has no bottom, like it's just endless. And they would also be getting rainwater, which I know has like minerals in it too, which they're not getting here. They're getting Brita jug water here, like filtered water here. So I just want to kind of replenish the nutrients in them by putting them into some new soil. I'm really, really hoping it saves them, because let me show you my worst plant. This one was thriving, guys. Like, what happened? What happened? But the thing is, it's still trying to make new growth. Like, this one is new. It's still trying to survive. So, yeah. I'm gonna sort that out today. It's been a long time. I've been putting this task off for a long time, but I've also been a bit stressed lately, and I know that when I like care for my plants, it makes me kind of just recenters me. It makes me focus on the task at hand at that very moment. I'm gonna stop procrastinating and just care to my plant mama duties. Let's do this. most of the soil out of the roots, so I'm now just gonna mix some soil in here and add some perlite. By the way, just as a disclaimer, I am not a plant connoisseur. This is not a tutorial. This is just me vibing with my plants because final plant. Okay,